Planning Adventures out a little bit from my spot. I came out this way to catch this. It is 9008. Moving whatever in the world these are. Aircraft parts, maybe? I don't know. I don't know what they are. But I came out here just to catch... Well, I came out here to get a picture of a Santa Fe engine for Ian and Brett and David, and I saw this train coming, trying to make my way back to my spot, and I'm glad I stopped because those had those giant things on it. Rail Fanning Adventures, Lincoln, Nebraska, on one of the many main lines that offshoot from the Transcon line. I think this is the St. Joe sub, but I'm not sure. I think it is, but I'm not positive. Burlington Northern gondola. Oh, here we go, guys. Cool. Here's a Santa Fe gondola. And we have some coal. Burlington Northern Santa Fe gondola. And now auto racks. Missouri Pacific gondola, another Missouri Pacific, Missouri Pacific gondola. Boise Cascade, Boise Cascade. Huge BNSF gondola. Boise Cascade, BNSF. Big Blue. Real Funny Adventures.